Good morning. Welcome to the groundbreaking ceremony for Parkview Estates. I'm Ken Magargee, partner with Wellbrook Senior Living, and on behalf of the entire development team, I'm proud to present the state-of-the-art 145-bed assisted memory care and assisted living community.
This is going to be our flagship assisted living memory care community for the company. And the motto of my company is people, passion, excellence. And I talk about that because what matters really is the people that provide the services to those seniors. And that's what I'm most proud of. What we're building is a community. We really want to focus on providing a service to middle class, even though the look and feel is going to be very high-end.
The City of Fountain Valley is very pleased to congratulate you on your much anticipated groundbreaking and would like to extend our sincere wishes for your future success in the City of Fountain Valley.